Hello and welcome to Leon's Lockpad, and happy Easter everybody. It's Easter Sunday today for me. We're going to get a lock picked. I've not done one for nearly a week. I know I've got videos up, but I did those videos about a week ago and then sent them up, but actually not picked a lock for about a week, which feels really strange. It's the first time I've actually had a break from picking. But we got a very nice lock here. It is a William Mancel. It's at number 3. Arrow Asa Abloy. And there we go. William Mancel, number 3. I can see he's filed the bitting number down. But before we start, same as usual, if you're interested in lock sport and you want to get involved, please check out www.uklocksport.co.uk. Also, I'm on Discord Lock Sport Community, which is a really great forum. I'm also with Lock Picking and Lock Sport at UKLP, which is on Facebook. And, you know, if you want to check these out, they're absolutely awesome. Great forums, a lot of them. Also, I'm on Twitter and Facebook myself as Leon's Lockpad. But let's get on with the picking. First of all, we need the lock. And then we need a very nice kick holder from my good friend Foxy. I'll tell you what I've been up to. I'll show you actually what I've been up to for a week. Let's see what we're going to use. Right, so we're going to use a homemade tension wrench and beautiful hook from Mr. Des. Let me bring one second. There we go. Just bringing some more light in. We can see. Right. Top of the keyway with the tension wrench. Let's see what we've got. Oh, got a little click off 6. I think it was 6. I'll click off 1. That was 4. Let's go for a reset there. Something not right. Oh, got a bit of a false set then off 4. Oh, got a deeper false set now, that was off 2. 1's locked up. Oh, we're open. There we go. No, it's been a week. I was a bit worried then. We're gonna get it picked. Awesome lock, William, my friend. That's some a really nice feedback. You know what, I always say that if someone makes a challenge lock with really good feedback, I find that I think the lock is a lot easier to pick, because well, you know what the lock's doing. Well, we can actually, let's see if we can get this. Let's lock it back up. Let's have a look at the bitting. I mean, some people leave it wrapped up, but for me, I'm curious of what that bitting will be. Good, bad, medium, mental. Oh, wait a minute. I'm having a struggle with this. Oh, yeah, near the end. Come on. That tape's got some really sticky gum on it. Let's get it off so we don't get it. There we go. Don't want it trapped in lock. Wow. That's near Bilby Cardi bidding that, Willie, my friend. That's really nice. Oh, look at that. That's super smooth as well, mate. Right, let's get it, gutted. Oh, I think we got, have we? Oh, perfect type of circlip or C-clip. Where it just fits this tool spot on. There we go. We are off. Oh, I see it. 1 second, let me just go and get a shim. Right. Let's pause. Let's get a shim through that because I had a little gap in the back. See that gap there? See that? If you get a T-pin or anything like that and it clicks into there, you're buggered. Ooh, look at that. We've got a couple of fault set traps. We've got a couple of overset traps. These need to be pit though. Right. Oh, very nice pins. Really nice work on these, Willie, my friend. Absolutely awesome. Let's see what we've got going on. So we've got counter milling in 3. We've got nice threads in 2, 4, 5, nothing in 6, and nothing in 1. Let's turn these around quickly and bring them down. Take out the shim. Right, there we go. Very nice. Spring doesn't want to go. You can hear my my little daughter having a good old sing in the background. Well, it's got 2 springs stuck together now. What a dope. There we go. Wow. Right, here we go. Sneaky. Sneaky but cool. Got a copper. And is it the last 2? That spring does not want to come out, so I'm not going to force it right this moment. Ooh. Let's see if we can. There we go. Had a little bit of a bent end on there, but anything going on here? Looks like it's something there, a little bit of, don't know what it is actually, like a bit under something. Right, let's have a take a look at these pins that William did. So we've got a very nice serrated key pin, a little spooled key pin, another serrated key pin with some wide ones, a single serration, We've got 3 serrations on number 5, and number 6 we've got a very tiny serration. Driver, we've got a very nice driver with serrated, and then it's slimmed off a little bit. Then we've got a spool with serrations inside it, which is cool. We've got a chain, so it's like a double ball bearing, very cool. We've got a mushroom style spool, and we've got like a T-pin slash serration with it's more like a mushroom. And then at number 6, we've got very nice thin serrations with a little bit of a spool. Then we've got steel, brass, steel. Absolute awesome work on them. A bit closer. There we go. William, great job, my friend. Absolute awesome job. Enjoyed that lot, picking that lot, mate. Don't forget, please check out William Mancel's channel. I'm going to leave his name in the description. I will try and put a link. For some reason, certain people's links work, and some links just, it says you don't exist. I have to find your URL, which is really hard to do for me at the moment. I'm not a super tech head, but try and sort that out. I'll give you a quick look at what I've been up to. I've been building a rock crawler. I have loads of RC cars all my life. Been buying them and model making, and they're a rock crawler. They're actually very expensive. So I found a toy grade one and turned it to a hobby grade one, as you can see. It's got proper super soft tyres, full multi-link suspension. I sprayed it, painted it, made all the back from wood, because it didn't have a back on them when they come with the kit, because it's in complete pieces. I'm just waiting now for the controller, speed controller, and it's having a brushless torque motor in it, which is 300 revolutions, but loads of torque and slow, because that's what you want. And you can see, really good suspension. But that's what I've been doing for a week as well. Right, so there we go. Yeah, thank you, William, for that lot, mate. That was absolutely excellent. Love that. And please check out William, because the guy's, he's got some really great content, and to be honest, he does the fails with the good stuff, and that's the greatest thing to watch. But yeah, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, and bye. Don't forget to like.